those gorgeous ceramic pans flooding your Instagram feed? The ones in millennial pink and sage green that promise toxin-free cooking and effortless egg slides? Here's what those beautiful lifestyle photos aren't showing you. Most ceramic cookware has an expiration date that nobody wants to talk about. And if you don't understand this one fundamental truth before buying, you could be replacing your entire set in 12 months while wondering what you did wrong. The answer to whether ceramic cookware is actually worth your money comes down to something hidden in the fine print that most brands hope you never read. So what's the real difference between ceramic cookware brands? Does that PFAS-free label actually mean anything? And which ceramic pans will still slide eggs 2 years from now instead of becoming expensive wall decorations? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which ceramic cookware deserves your money and which ones are just pretty packaging. First, let's clear up the biggest misconception about ceramic cookware. Despite the name, these pans aren't made from clay fired in a kiln. They're aluminum or stainless steel pans coated with a silica-based material that creates that smooth, glass-like cooking surface. The coating is what makes them non-stick, and that coating is what eventually wears out. The ceramic cookware market exploded because home cooks wanted an alternative to traditional Teflon. Concerns about PFAS, PTFE, and forever chemicals sent health-conscious consumers searching for cleaner options. Ceramic brands positioned themselves as the toxin-free solution, and the colorful designs made them Instagram gold. Today, the major players include GreenPan, Caraway, Our Place, Made In, Calphalon, and a dozen other brands, all promising the same thing: safe, beautiful, non-stick cooking without the chemical concerns. But performance varies wildly between brands, and understanding those differences could save you hundreds of dollars. Here's the uncomfortable truth that ceramic cookware brands don't emphasize in their marketing: ceramic coatings wear out faster than traditional non-stick. America's Test Kitchen and multiple independent testers have confirmed that ceramic surfaces degrade more quickly than PTFE coatings, especially with regular use. Average ceramic cookware lasts 1 to 3 years before losing significant non-stick properties. Quality ceramic from premium brands might stretch to 5 years with careful use. Compare that to well-made traditional non-stick that last 3 to 7 years, or cast iron and stainless steel that last literally generations. So why do people buy ceramic at all? Because when ceramic cookware works, it works beautifully. The cooking experience is genuinely pleasant, cleanup is effortless, and you're not worrying about chemical coatings breaking down at high temperatures. The question isn't whether ceramic is good. The question is which ceramic is good enough to justify the investment. GreenPan introduced ceramic non-stick to the American market in 2007 and has been refining the technology ever since. Their Thermalon coating remains the industry benchmark, and testing consistently ranks GreenPan among the best performers for actual non-stick capability. The Valencia Pro line represents their premium offering: hard anodized aluminum construction, diamond-reinforced ceramic coating, and oven-safe temperatures up to 600 degrees. Independent testing shows excellent heat distribution with no hot spots, genuine non-stick performance that releases eggs without oil, and durability that outlasts most competitors. Consumer Reports gives high marks for cooking evenness and food release. The catch? GreenPan pans are dishwasher safe, but that convenience comes with a trade-off. Aggressive dishwasher cycles accelerate coating degradation. Hand washing extends lifespan significantly. Also, not all GreenPan lines are induction compatible, so check carefully before purchasing if you have an induction cooktop. Price point varies widely across their product lines, from budget-friendly Green Life sets to premium Valencia Pro pieces. The Valencia Pro line delivers the best combination of performance and durability, though it commands higher prices. Caraway disrupted the cookware market by understanding something competitors missed: aesthetics sell. Their muted color palette, magnetic pan racks, and lifestyle photography created a brand that feels more like home decor than kitchen equipment. The marketing worked brilliantly. Caraway. Performance testing confirms that Caraway pans genuinely work well. Eggs slide, searing is capable, and heat distribution is even. Consumer Reports gave high marks for cooking evenness and food release. The included storage solutions and canvas lid holders solve real organization problems that other brands ignore. The controversy? Caraway explicitly states their cookware is not dishwasher safe. That's not a suggestion, it's a requirement. Hand wash only, no metal utensils, medium heat maximum. Violate these rules and your beautiful pans will lose their nonstick coating faster than you'd expect. Some independent reviewers report durability concerns after extended use, with staining and scratches appearing earlier than expected. Caraway's 10-year warranty covers manufacturing defects, but not normal wear, which includes coating degradation from regular cooking. For the premium price point, the care requirements are demanding. Our Place took a different approach with their Always Pan, positioning it as a multifunctional piece that replaces 8 traditional cookware items. The modular design includes integrated steamer baskets, nesting spatulas, and pour spouts. For small kitchens or minimalist cooks, the space-saving concept is genuinely appealing. The Always Pan 2.0 addressed criticisms of the original model with improved heat distribution and a more durable coating. Testing shows solid non-stick performance for eggs and delicate foods. The included accessories add genuine value, and the colorways are undeniably attractive. The limitation is versatility versus specialization. A 10-inch pan with relatively shallow sides can't replace a 12-inch skillet for searing steaks or a proper saucepan for reductions. It's excellent for what it does, but serious home cooks will eventually need additional pieces. Consider whether you're buying a primary cooking tool or a supplementary convenience. Made In launched their CeramiClad line in 2024 with a fundamentally different construction approach. Instead of coating aluminum, they applied ceramic nonstick to their proven 5-ply stainless steel base. This means when the ceramic coating eventually wears out, you still have a fully functional stainless steel pan underneath. The 5-ply construction provides exceptional heat distribution and eliminates warping concerns that plague thinner ceramic pans. Professional chefs consulted on the design, and the Stay Cool handles reflect genuine ergonomic consideration. Independent testing confirms excellent performance for searing, which many ceramic pans struggle with. The honest reality? This is premium-priced cookware that costs significantly more than competitors. But the longevity proposition is compelling. Once the ceramic wears out, add some oil and keep cooking on the stainless steel base. No other ceramic brand offers this fallback functionality. Not everyone needs premium ceramic cookware. If you understand that ceramic coatings have limited lifespans, budget options start making sense. The Figmint 12-piece set from Target earned top scores from Consumer Reports for cooking evenness and non-stick performance at a fraction of premium prices. Calphalon's ceramic line offers proven brand reliability with accessible pricing and excellent heat distribution. Their sets include useful variety without excessive pieces you'll never use. The 10-year warranty provides reasonable protection for manufacturing defects. The budget strategy is straightforward. Buy affordable ceramic cookware, use it properly, and replace it when the coating degrades without feeling guilty about the investment. A $50 pan that lasts 2 years costs the same per year as a $200 pan that lasts 8 years, assuming the expensive pan actually delivers that longevity. Here's what actually matters when you're choosing ceramic cookware. All ceramic coatings degrade over time. This is physics, not a defect. The coating releases microscopic amounts of material every time you heat the pan. Premium brands use thicker, more durable coatings that last longer, but no ceramic pan lasts forever. Accept this reality before purchasing. Care dramatically affects longevity. Medium heat only, no cooking sprays, silicone or wooden utensils, hand washing, proper storage with pan protectors. Violate these rules consistently, and even the best ceramic cookware will fail prematurely. If you're not willing to baby your pans, ceramic might not be your ideal cookware material. For pure nonstick performance, GreenPan Valencia Pro consistently ranks at the top. For aesthetics and organization, Caraway delivers genuine value if you follow care instructions meticulously. For long-term investment, In CeramiClad offers the best fallback when the ceramic coating eventually wears. For budget-conscious buyers, Figmint and Calphalon provide solid performance without premium pricing. So, which ceramic cookware actually deserves your money? Here's my honest recommendation based on how real kitchens actually function. Choose GreenPan Valencia Pro if you prioritize non-stick performance above all else and want the most durable ceramic coating currently available. Choose Caraway if aesthetics matter to your kitchen experience and you're committed to following strict care guidelines. Choose In CeramiClad if you want premium construction with a functional pan even after the ceramic coating degrades. Choose budget options like Figmint or Calphalon if you understand ceramic cookware as a consumable product with a 2 to 3 year replacement cycle. Choose cast iron or stainless steel if you want cookware that genuinely lasts a lifetime and you're willing to learn proper technique. Here's the bottom line. Ceramic cookware is genuinely useful, but it's not forever cookware. It's consumable kitchen equipment with a limited lifespan, like nonstick bakeware or quality cutting boards. Understanding this upfront changes how you shop. Stop treating ceramic pans like heirloom pieces and start treating them like the convenient, health-conscious cooking tools they actually are. Buy quality you can afford, care for them properly, and replace them without guilt when performance degrades. The right ceramic cookware is the one that fits your budget, matches your care commitment, and delivers the cooking experience you actually want every single day. What's your take? Which ceramic cookware brand has earned a spot in your kitchen? Drop a comment and let us know your experience. If this breakdown helped clarify your thinking, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest kitchen gear reviews. We cut through the marketing hype so you can invest in tools that actually match how you cook. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.